Alright, kind of just woke up, got ready, got dressed. We're going somewhere with Dalton. He wants to get the heavy Chevy out, so I think Morgan's gonna come too, so we'll see. There's like 6 or 7 inches of snow out there, so ain't no joke. Oh, there's Beyond. Alright guys, just got to Dalton's. My mini bike, it was literally to where the engine mounts, like my motor mounts. This shit ain't no joke out here, dude. I barely got here. Look at this guy. Just woke up, fresh out of bed, still eepy. Yeah, I don't know what we're getting into, but if we're gonna get into anything. God damn. Let's hear it. Froze? You're yeah. It'll do something. I'm putting the bruh on that one. Give her hell, bub. Huh? Give her hell. Is the hydraulic, like all the hydraulics connected? Because if you just go up and down, it'll warm it up, wouldn't it?
I'd say the left and right's on different than the top and bottom.
Just give her hell, bub. Oh yeah, you're good. It's that's like a snowdrift all the way up to the top of the freaking thing. There's like nobody on the highway besides this group of cars, and I just seen some AEP people going, some linemen. Oh my god, dude, it's so bad. This is horrible. Everybody's staring at me like crazy. That's nuts. Oh my god. This is the worst storm I've ever seen. Oh, here we go. We got somebody coming. Woo-wee. Give her hell, Bubba. Oh, yeah. Paul can take that shit. All right, I'm going home. It's fucking nasty out here. Look at that shit. That's so badass. I wonder what he's gonna do with that. Oh, I know what he's gonna do. You can go back around, Bubba. Oh, he's going back up. Okay. That's gonna be so sick. There he goes, Bubba. this is about to be sick. Oh yeah. Oh, he's teasing me. Springfield Township. Oh yeah, it's about to be sick. About to be sick. Woo-wee! That's so sick. That's what I'm talking about. Now that right there was bad fucking ass. That's so sick. Looks pretty good actually. He's doing a good job down there. Alright guys. Got me my handy dandy tape measure right here. Let's see if we can find a fresh pile. I'm gonna say right here. Hope that's not concrete. Let me check. Nope, we're going somewhere else. Alright, over here by this pole. Alright, let's see it. Don't want to put no snow. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys can see that. Right at 10 inches. Holy fuck. Let me go try somewhere else. Here we go. Let's try right here. That's a 9. Right around 9 inches, I think. That's crazy. This is the worst snowstorm I've ever been involved with. And I'm already out of school, so I don't even get to fucking enjoy it. Horse shit. But, alright, I'm gonna get inside and get warm. She's ready for the outside cold. Alright guys, we're heading to Kroger. Got the woman in the back seat because that's where she fucking belongs.
My headlights cleared off.
Yeah, they're good enough. But yeah, well, this is the road situation. Looks fantastic. But yeah. See you later. Okay, I decided to come back up here. Conditions still haven't really got any better, but yeah. I'm fucking freezing. It's actually starting to get really fucking cold now, so I'm actually gonna go inside now and start editing some videos. I got some linemen going. Yep, I'm going inside and staying inside and hopefully getting some food. Alright, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
I wonder, did our shit ever come back on right?
What are you talking about?
The humidifier.
My battery's flashing.
Butter on both sides. You should have put some herbs in it.